Welcome to the Gantt Chart. This resource tool allows for a detailed look into the team's current workload. It also highlights the overall availability and capacity each person has to take on new tasks. The user can select a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly view, as well as a customization of the filters. Each user has a dedicated avatar encircled by a specific color based on their availability for the next 15 days. These avatars are found throughout the system to help project and account managers quickly and easily understand their team's workload. When a task is assigned to a collaborator, it will be displayed on the Gantt chart along with the amount of time assigned to that person. In order to view the Gantt chart correctly, the task's creator must select the start and end date for each task. If not, these will not appear in the user's chart.
Through drag and drop, it is easy to adjust timelines and even reassign a task from one user to another. The color of the task indicates the status of the task: new, in progress, in review, corrections, on hold, and finished.
If you click on the individual avatar, you will be able to see the daily capacity of that user based on their assigned daily hours.